Myself, JVN Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about penumbra, uh, which is particularly important for the semester BSc RT 6M. Uh, this is the uh, session of the subject hospital administration in radiotherapy. Now we will start about what is penumbra. Penumbra is a region at the edge of radiation beam. Penumbra is a region at the edge of radiation beam in which the dosage changes as a function of distance from the beam axis. As the distance is increases from the beam axis, the penumbra region is or dose rate in the region is decreases. The penumbra at a depth below the skin surface PD is mainly due to geometry of the source, which is given by the relation PD. Dose at अपन कहते हैं क्या skin surface is equal to S bracket SSD plus D small d minus SDD, source diaphragm distance divided by upon SDD, where is the source S is the source diameter, SSD is the source to surface distance, SDD is the source to diaphragm distance, D is the depth below the surface. The penumbra increases with increase in SSD. As SSD is increase, then penumbra is also increased. Source size and depth. Penumbra is increases with SSD, source size and depth, and decreases with an increase in SDD, source to diaphragm distance. For an ideal external beam, the penumbra must be minimum, and it is possible with high SSD. Hence, telecoiled machines are provided with trimmers. So, keep the penumbra minimum. The trimmers are made up of heavy metal bars and attached to the collimator. Trimmers increased the SSD and keep the penumbra minimum. It is also known that the size of the penumbra does not depend on the size of radiation field. It is independent of radiation field. This is a penumbra. Our session penumbra is complete. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jayaved Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Again, thank you.